off. Let's see how to stop your iPad from turning off by itself. In the first step, open Settings. Later, choose Display and Brightness. Later, select Auto Lock. After that, set it to Never. In the next step, open Settings. After that, navigate to Accessibility. Next, select Guided Access. Then switch on Guided Access. In the next step, open Settings. Next, choose Battery. Next, select Low Power Mode. Later, disable it. In the next step, open Settings. Now navigate to Do Not Disturb. After that, select Scheduled. After that, switch it off. In the next step, open Settings. After that, go to Display and Brightness. Now choose True Tone. Later, disable it. You are good to go.